Okay, here's your KitchenAid. So basically when you turn it on, it won't tumble the drum. And so if you look underneath, you'll probably find a belt. And there it is. So this one needs a belt. The idler looks good. It's a little stiff. It needs a shot of oil where it needs to be replaced. Usually I just oil them. In order to take this front panel off, it's got these tangs here on each side. Just stick a screwdriver on the top end of the tang. Right there. Then pull out on the panel. Pull out. And sometimes these screws here are tight and you have to loosen them. But normally they're not tight enough that you can't pull it apart. Then you'll need to come and take these two screws out, which I've already done. Then you need to pop the handle up. And you see, these are the clips that hold it in. Just push in on them, pull up on the top. And once you've done that, find the rest of the belt. And so then we need to take the two screws out here on each side. And this one has the old school clips on the door switch. Come out pretty easy. Once you've disconnected the door switch, then this panel will just pull out of here. And so just set the screws somewhere obvious. So this one I need a little pressure on it to pull it out. Then we just pull up, pull out, and remember to take your springs off on that side of there. So we don't need to do this to replace the belt, but I'm going to do it anyway. And take a look inside. Look at the rollers. These look good. Look good. The motor looks pretty good. Nothing binding it. Looks pretty good for a 15-year-old, maybe even 20-year-old dryer. Hit the jackpot here. Okay, so that's all you need to do basically, and assemble in reverse order. And so when you put the belt on, you need to put the belt around the barrel, of course. Usually there's a mark on it to tell you where to put it. Then once you have got it on, basically goes around the barrel and through this. Through that and in here. Of course, when you have it on the barrel, it's going to have tension on it. So basically that's how it goes. Like that. And then these two go around the barrel. Oh, genuine KitchenAid motor. What do you know? Well, thanks for watching. If you need any help, you can contact me at applianceworks@yahoo.com. 707-445-1591.